afternoon, everybody. I have what you've been waiting for in my hand right here. It's a damn book. It is a book, and I got it in my hand. No, it's not a book. It is gambler pricing on what's behind me right here. I don't know, can you see it? Let me move. Got it? There it is. It's behind me. So I got that behind me. I am here at Gambler, and what a better time to do an over-under, because that's what you guys have been asking for. What a better time to do an over-under on a Gambler. We're going to get you an over-under, and it's going to start right now. You ready? Here we go. All right, so the boat we're gonna price out today is the 21 Gambler DC. The 21 Gambler DC. We just went with that boat because it fits to what we've been doing. All right, so the standard boat options, the standard boat itself comes in at $47,138. $47,138. Don't ask any questions yet, I just got started, so we're not gonna go anywhere. Wait till I'm finished before you raise your hand, please. Thank you. Here we go. $47,138 for the boat, the standard option. So as I scroll through the book of love here, the standard is you get the Gambler pedestal seats, 2 included. As I go through here, the Bob's Jack plate, 12-inch with the gauge comes included with you, and the hydraulic steering is on there. That's all part of that package. So you get boat, you get a steering, you get a jack plate, you get pedestal seats. You don't have a motor yet, but there we go. So now let's get into the motor. Of course, we went with the Yamaha 250 SHO. That's what we've been going with on all these over-unders when it comes to these bass boats. So we went with that. The price of that came in per website, $23,245. $23,245. I'm not going to do the math because I'm not thinking that hard today. So that's where we're at. We got the $23,000 engine. I'm going to round it down in a $47,000 boat. So now we got boat, steering, jack plate, pedestal seats, and a motor. And we're getting up there, but here we go. You ready? All right, so now we want the battery and the charging system. There's 2 options we can go with. We personally did these with lithium batteries. So we priced them out with lithium batteries. We went with the lithium. Now you gotta remember with the Gambler, what you guys don't understand, we priced it with 5, count them, not 1, 2, 3, or 4. We went with 5 lithium batteries in this boat because what these guys do here is they have their crank battery, they have a house battery, and of course we need 3 trolling motor batteries. There's a couple ways to do it. I think we could option the Lithium Pro setup, so we could go with the 1 Lithium Pro for like 2,500-ish, and then we could drop 2 individuals in for the house battery. And so there's ways you can, when we get to the end of this, you gotta remember there's ways we can probably lessen some cost on this boat by the time we're done, but we're gonna stick to the way they did it. We went with 5 individual lithium batteries. So the lithium batteries themselves and the charging system, power pole charge included, $5,022. 5,000, let's just say $5,000 because I don't like all these little 22s and 10s and 5, all that crap. I get pissed off, so we're not going to deal with that. It's $5,000 for that. All right, then we got the trolling motor. We all know what it is. It's the Ultrex. We're going to put the Ultrex on there. The Ultrex 36 volt, 45-inch shaft, $2,200. Then we got the electronics. Here's where it kind of gets iffy. We dropped the 12 up front and we put a 10 at the console, both Helix Mega imaging units. 1 unit at the console because that's all we can fit. So you got 1 unit that fits in the dash there. It's just in dash labeled 1 unit. And we get 1 unit up front. We could have probably went with 2 units up front, side by side, and in between. But I don't know if you can see the trolling motor over here, but it is straight away. So they got 1 offset on the outside. So you could put another one on there. But electronics wise, we ended up at $4,800, somewhere in that ballpark. Now, of course, we went with power pole shallow water anchors. We dropped them on, ping, ping, boom. Got them on. Cool thing about what they're doing here, and you'll see that is kind of placement of pumps and all that stuff. It's just a badass rig when we're all said and done. But we went with the power pole 8-foot blades on the back, boom, boom, track, done. And then we end up with trailer. Now we're getting into the trailer. So the trailer pricing comes in at $6,700. All right, everybody's like, what the hell, $6,700? Not 1, not 2, not 3, 4 disc brakes all the way around. So you got 4 disc brakes on the trailer. We get into some accessories. We didn't go into covers. We didn't do any of that stuff. So now the batteries could become less. They could become more. They could do some other things. But there's like a $1,500 less here if we kind of went back to original options and batteries. But we're not going to worry about that. I'm just going to drop the price on you. You ready? I'm going to give you a quick back rundown. Jordan, you ready for this? Here we go. All right, boat's coming in at 47. Motor's coming in at 23. All that, you know, the motor pricing is always up in the air with all this stuff that I do. You can always find somebody to probably give you a better price, whatever. This is just coming off the site, coming off of what we did right in the office, right in here. And then we end up $5,000 for the battery and the charger. $2,200 is for the trolling motor. The unit's about $4,800, $4,900 with the anchors. The trailer comes in at, let's say, $6,700. You ready for a grand total, everybody? Drum roll, please. I didn't bring that guy with me. That's all the way out here to South Carolina. $94,234. $94,234. Under 100K. We're under 100K, and we haven't not yet crested the 95,000 mark. So, I think when we start talking about the logistics and we talk about the boat and we talk about the company, when we start talking about all that stuff, you're going to understand where I'm going to go with this. You probably already know where I'm going to go with this. $94,000 is a lot of money, right? And that's a lot of money. That's just the way it is. But we do set them up a little bit different. So and you're looking at this, it's like 5 lithium batteries. You could go back to AGMs and cut off some money. I would still stick with like a power pole charge on it. Or you could probably drop, like I said, the Lithium Pro in there, the 36 volt Lithium Pro, 1 battery done, and probably save yourself a little bit of money too. The pricing of the motor changes. You know, I could have dropped the Suzuki on here, literally dropped the Suzuki on here and probably saved I could probably get you down, if you were buying it from me with a Suzuki 250 SS, I could probably get you down around 87, 88, somewhere in that ballpark. See, it's a whole different world now. Now everybody's not pissed off and like, because once you seem like you fall into the 80s mark, everybody's okay with it. But through the tour that I did and through the relationships that I've made here at Gambler doing this and being around these people, it's quite the deal to understand the complete operations of this company and how things are done, how things are built, and the pride and the commitment that they have to excellence. Excellence is the only thing at this place. There's nothing less than excellent, and they're going to live and they're going to die by it. They're going to live and die by it. And they've taken a brand and a company, and they're going to make it better, and they're going to make it the best that it can be. And when it gets to that point, they're going to go to the next level. And when it gets to that point, it's going to be the next level. And in business, that's your dream. That's your dream that it happens, because you're always evolving, and that's what these guys are going to do. So, you know, at the end of the day, when it comes down to it, you get customer service, you get quality, and you get a family feel when you're here at Gambler. So all those things ring extremely high with me, and extremely high as the person that I am. And $94,000 to me is undervalued. It's undervalued because of what I just talked about. And I've said it time and time and time again. And whether you guys like it or don't like it, if I'm spending that kind of money, I better get some help, and I better get some acknowledgement of who I bought it from, when the commitments are there. If I have an issue, I'm not a number, I'm not a barcode, I don't get pushed off to the side, they don't remember my name. That means, that to me is priceless, people. It's priceless. I dealt with it in my company for many years, and the hardest thing for the people was when I first got my secretary was, where's Andy? It's still a problem today. I understand that, but I try to still make my face around. I try to still be around it. And that's what I've always said. The nucleus of people are the people that get you through, and the people that start the company here. They're literally here with, I don't know, I think it's 1, 2, 3, 4, is it 6 or 7 employees, something like that, building boats. You got to start somewhere. And I think they've started in the right direction. So at the end of the day, the $94,000 Gambler bass boat, DC-21, is undervalued for the certain reason of your money is being put to more use than just buying a boat. You're getting a relationship, you're getting a family feel, you're getting the highest quality probably boat that I've ever been around in a long time. And you get speed. What's wrong with speed? Who doesn't like speed at 84 miles an hour, 83 miles an hour? I was out in this thing right here, see this? And we were doing 83. I mean, it was what it is, man. 80 miles an hour in that beautiful boat behind me is something to say. I hope you all enjoyed this, and I hope you go experience the Gambler experience like I just did. If you want to, call Hat Creek Marine. Get them on the phone. I'm gonna drop the number right here real quick. You ready? 803-854-00000. There it is, Hat Creek Marine. Give them a call. And as always, comment, subscribe, and click the notification bell, which I hope every Gambler person in the world is now saying. Speed, money, no brakes. I'm out. You know where I'm going? Not going home. I'm going back to my motel. Then I'm going to go home. See ya. I'm gone.